Alright, hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice scenery in this piece of paper. You can say this is a solid white background which is using as a frame or the canvas, and we're going to do a nice sketch here. First you draw a line in the middle of the this white paper, and this is going to be the base of the scenery. For the mountains, just draw a slope which is going to uphills and just going on and on. Okay, so another lines you can put here. Just you can use some crayons to draw a larger area in a shortcut. Okay, so alongside the borders, if you just put the crayons and use your fingertips just to put the shadow to the ground bottom of these mountains, so you can have like this kind of effect. All right, so another mountain behind that one, and this is another line for the shadow. Then see other mountain. Okay, and the shadow. All right, then another mountain in a far distance. All right, so on the left side, if you have the shadow, just put the shadow like this one with the crayons or the oil pastel. You can just do it darker. Okay, doing darker and mixing up uniformly within the whole canvas. All right. Okay, so here just you can put few lines with the pencil to show the other side of the mountains. Okay, here you can see some slopes and the racks of the mountains just flowing from the top and just going to the bottom in an inclined fashion. Okay, so the mountain trees just you can draw like this one. So these are the pointed tree, just a straight line and a few leaves and the branches on the side and going upwards. Getting very lively this scenery. Okay, all right, you can use another kind of pencil to draw the trees nicely. All right, so in the bottom, if you just like to put the water body, so that's going to be very easy. Just with the crayons you can have a like nice shades, so you can see the shades and shadows done within a very small amount of time. So the water body, awesome. This is the exact base, just making it darker. And for some trees and the leaves, just putting some ups and downs with the bottom of the hills. Okay, all right, and just putting a boat and the shade, the boatman. Okay, the shades here and the shades of the mountains, just getting something on the water. Okay, Just you can use the fingertips to mix up the whole color in the canvas. And here you can also draw few taller trees, which is the pointy trees as we have drawn previously. So step by step you can see the scenery is getting very lively. Awesome. Okay, so the total scenery is done in a very simple way. You can also do the practice at home, and in the sketchbook this is a very nice sketch for the beginners. Thanks for watching. Do practice at home. Have a good day.